So after getting your CEXY code, which I shared a trick on how to get the CEXY code, because that has been a challenge faced by so many. Right? How do you now check your CEX powertap allocation? Well, I've checked, I've connected Telegram, connected wallet, and I've recently just completed the code by providing an acceptable code. Now I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and privacy policy and confirm my information is correct, right? So you check this box here, then you click on apply for qualification. Now, another thing you need to have at the back of your mind, this is not a new airdrop, and it didn't just start yesterday, or it didn't just start with providing code. No, we found the CEX Powertap airdrop on Telegram bots before they launched the BeCEXY portal, and then we connected from there. I think I've done a couple of videos showing how to connect your BeCEXY portal to the Powertap bot. So if you're wondering how we got here, that video will come in very useful, right? So after providing the code, I'm checking out for every other item on the checklist. You click on apply for qualification. It says you are about to apply for airdrop qualification. You cannot edit your Telegram nor wallet account after submitting your application. You click on yes, apply. You did great. You have successfully submitted your application and it will now proceed to verification. You click on got it. All right, so this is my application status. Airdrop fulfillment 68.76. Total supply is this. My game rewards, I got 312 CEXY from powertap after 3,119,388 CEXP, that's CEX points, right? So CEX tap, yeah, I got 9,623, but I've got 0 rewards. And then there's a wigwam drum. Honestly, at some point I stopped. To be very honest, I stopped at some point because it was long overdue. I felt like these guys are not serious, so I gave up. It says my 3.1 million got me 312 CEXY tokens. I didn't do the wigwam and the CEDEX tap. I didn't even know they own the CEDEX as well. Looks like your account has 0 CEXY in CEDEX tap. This happens if at least one of the following reasons occurred. You have not been the user of CEDEX tap. Your account haven't met the minimum amount required. Your account has been blocked in CEDEX. Definitely because I didn't make the minimum. You can tell me I've been farming your project for more than a year and then I haven't seen anything, and then you introduce another tap, boat, like what's up, right? So I didn't do it, to be honest. I don't know how I got the 9,620. Maybe just some minor taps of shit. It's asking me to submit request. CEXY token request. You are requesting CEXY token based on your game's achievements. The request cannot be cancelled once submitted. CEXY tokens have to be credited to your BeCEXY balance. It is not being deposited to your Solana wallet. Click on confirm request. CEXY on the way. You have successfully submitted your exchange request. Got it. So what now? Let's click on this info. Your BeCEXY balance. Your current BeCEXY balance represents the total amount of CEXY tokens at a given moment on your BeCEXY account, not indicating balance on your Solana wallet. The token withdrawal feature is not yet active. We are working on launching it soon. Once available, you'll be able to transfer your CEXY to your wallet. Please follow our news for updates, right? But this is the level, this is the latest on the CEX powertap. I don't know why they just migrated to CEXY. Is that like what's up? Nobody's talking about the CEX powertap again. They're giving it a new name, packaging it under a new regalia. What's up? Are we still doing CX exchange, airdrop? Well, guys, that's the update, right? That's how to request for allocation, and that's how to claim it. It will not appear on your wallet. It will rather appear on your CEX dashboard. Application status shows I'm qualified. So there you have it. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.